Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Vlogmas Day 20. We are finally in the 20s. I can't believe that this month has gone by so fast. But today is Sunday, and Sundays are my favorite days of the entire week. I feel like I get to reset and restart and start for a new week, which is literally the best feeling in the entire world. So today I am actually headed out pretty early. It is about 10:30 right now, and I am getting ready to head out to go to the farmer's market with two of my friends. Going to the farmer's market is honestly one of my favorite things to do. It's one of the things I miss most about living in New York, but there are so many great farmers markets here in LA, so I'm not sure which one we are going to. I know I've been to the one in Brentwood, which I vlogged a while ago, so you can check out that vlog if you want to see what that farmers market was like. And then I've been to the one on Larchmont, and that one is also really good. But yeah, so I'm getting ready for that. I am already dressed. I will show you guys my outfit in a second. But one of the things I like to do on Sunday mornings is set my bullet journal for the week. It just really gives me like a good headspace for the week coming up. I have finally finished school, so that is really great. But I'm going to show you guys how I do my bullet journal layout for the weeks, like for an upcoming week instead of like the monthly thing that I showed you guys at the beginning of the month. This morning has been pretty lax. I just got ready. My dad picked up donuts, which was delicious. I love that we do that on Sundays. Sometimes it's usually donuts or bagels. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. This is just my weekly layout. I'll put the days of the week. I always start on a Sunday and then end on a Saturday, and then I'll just put all of the days like this, and then the date and the day, and then just the tasks. I do this every day though, so for today I'll just do 12:20 and then put the Sunday and then any task that I want to get done. Last night I went ahead and put out my upload schedule for this week, just that way I know, especially now that I'm done with school, like what I'm going to be filming every day. So I'm going to fill this out and then show y'all the finished result. I have just filled out this week. You guys can see, just did the date and the day, what I have going on this day. So today I am going to go to the farmer's market, film this vlog, and then I want to do some laundry, clean my room, and then paint my nails. So this is the fit. This sweater is from Madewell. These pants are from Urban, and then I have on these little sandals, but these are from Target, and then I'm wearing the same jewelry as I was wearing pretty much every day. I have no rings on today, but the same earrings as usual, and that is pretty much my outfit. I think I might bring like a backpack instead of my shoulder bag, and then a tote bag or two, just in case I pick up anything that doesn't really need a plastic bag. So that's that. We need to head out of the door because again I'm running late, but I will check in with you guys probably when I'm in the car. Hello, I am currently in my car at the farmer's market because my friends and I decided to grab a little something to eat, but I did quite well at the farmer's market today. I will show you guys a haul when I get home, but it's just such a lovely day. The sun is out. It's just, I don't know, I'm loving today. It's the perfect Sunday. But yeah, I just figured I would check in and say what's up. But yeah, it's like 1:37 and we just finished like doing the shopping, but now we're just gonna eat in my car. I didn't really film too much when we were walking around just because I want to be really present and like in the moment, and I don't want to like shove a camera in someone's face and be like, let's have our conversation on camera. So I figured I would update you guys now. It's super sunny, so I apologize for that. But yeah, it's like 1:40. It's a beautiful Sunday. I'm so happy that we came to the farmer's market. Yeah, I'm really happy. I am finally home from the farmer's market and figured I would do a bit of a farmer's market haul for you guys. I didn't get like a week's worth of groceries by any means, but I picked up some things that I could snack on throughout the week. For starters, I got some Greek flat pita bread. I don't remember the vendors of every place that I went to, but I got some pita bread, and then I also got some garlic spread. This is actually from Bubba Foods. It smells super garlicky. Then I also got a baby loaf of garlic sourdough. It's like a half loaf, which I've actually like never seen before. Thought this was like super cute because that way the bread won't go to waste. Then I got a little tray of like berries. This is like super common at farmers markets, at least here in LA. It's just blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries, so I figured this would be great throughout the week to snack on and things like that. And then I got 2 oranges. So I don't remember what kind of oranges these were, but I just picked them up because they looked really good. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got at the farmer's market. It was just such a great time. I went with my friend Mega from work, and Mega, if you're watching this, I had the best time with you. I love spending time with her. It literally just makes my soul feel good. And I don't know, that might be like a ridiculous thing to say, but I don't know, whenever I'm with her, I'm like super happy, and I just feel like we have the best time together. And it was a lovely Sunday. Right now, I am just going to kind of clean up my room. My sister's boyfriend is coming over in a little bit for dinner. So yeah, that's pretty much all that's going on here. I'm actually going to put this food away first and then clean my room because it's just a little disorganized. Like the desk, I'm freaking out. But yeah, it was a great Sunday. Just finished picking up my room. I had a few berries to snack on while I was just sitting at my kitchen, but that was pretty much it so far. I am probably going to start editing this video right now and just check in with my bullet journal and things like that. But yeah, I really love cleaning on Sundays. It's just really, I don't know, it just feels really good to like clean and have a clean space. I didn't do like too deep of a clean. I just kind of picked up things in my room. I usually don't clean the floors like on a Sunday, but I'm going to light a candle and set the mood while I bullet journal. So it is a bit later now. It's like 5:15-ish, and I just imported all of the footage from today because I am going to start editing this episode of Vlogmas. That way it can hopefully go up today. I'm thinking at like 7 by the time I edit and then upload and do all of that. I just wanted to end off this vlog properly here. Thank you so much for watching. I can't believe Vlogmas is almost over. I am definitely going to continue uploading after the 25th. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one.